So today I'm going to show you how to use Trello's card repeater. It's a power up. So power ups are in addition to the regular cards on the board that you can do. So you'll see here that I have a power up. You click this and card repeater and Typeform are two that I have set up on my board. And I just want to show you what a card repeater does. So when you click settings, you'll be able to view the power up and you'll see that you can now, they're unlimited. They used to be one per board, but it now just says it's unlimited. So the card repeater is a really handy tool to use Trello because if you have things that are just regular tasks, for example, every day I check in with my assistant, or every day I am doing lead follow up. I don't want to write those cards in every day. I mean, I know it's easy to do, but I can just put it on a repeater, which is even easier. You can also schedule cards to repeat on daily, weekly, monthly, yearly basis. You can also have cards come specifically at a certain time. So we have cards that come up on closing, like 1 week before closing, to make sure that the items that we're supposed to get done get done. It comes back into our workflow because this is our to-do list. So you can click in here. It's really simple. You can see their little preview here. When you click on it, you can click repeat card. You choose if it's weekly, monthly, at what time and what day. So maybe every Friday it comes, or maybe Monday to Friday it comes up. And it allows you to choose how often you want it to show up. So I'll show you on here. If I take a look at my repeats, it'll show you all of my stuff that's on repeat. So these are the ones that kind of came in because of client's possession, but here's the check-in with Christy. So you can see here on the repeat, I can choose Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I can say I want it to come at 8 a.m. and I want it to come not weekly. I want it to come weekly. If I did monthly, it'll just come once a month on those days. So let's say weekly, and it tells me where I want it to go. Do I want it to come to my to-do today tasks? And then I want it at the top of the list. I don't want it at the bottom. So I click save, and then it will automatically come up every single morning at 8 a.m. There's so many options that you can do with this. You can see that if you take a look at, I have a lead follow-up task. These are just the two tasks that come up. But for example, we have clients that we have to make sure these items are done for the seller before possession. So it comes onto my board, it repeats to make sure that I remember to deal with this and follow up with it. If you took a look at my assistant's repeater cards, you can click so anyone can check the repeater cards. These are all of her tasks that come up to make sure that she knows. So for coaching homework, she ensures that like it comes up at a certain time. I think it's on the 22nd, so it's Wednesdays. So every Wednesday at 8 a.m., because I have a call that morning, she makes sure that it's all done with. And again, if you want to edit it or change it, you can do that here. So you can see she has it come up on Wednesday and Friday, and it comes to her top of her daily task blocks. So you can totally control what you'd like to see and do. If you want to add a power up to a card, so let's go to one of my cards here, and I want to remind myself for this real property report, I can click add power up. So this is where I would put the card repeater, but of course I already have it. But let's say I want a different card power up. You can click all these different options. And in another video, I will talk about more power ups and why you should use them. But in this video, we talked all about the repeater cards and why you should use them. And I think it's really important if you're looking to automate processes. When you click yearly, you get to choose the day that it specifically comes on. So if I want it to remind me tomorrow to come, it can come back up. So I don't have to remember to drag it. Now, don't forget, if it is tomorrow, I would just click this and drag it to do tomorrow. And then in the morning tomorrow, I'll move all of these items over to do today, and then it'll be doing that. So see, you can see right now I'm filming video for editing. Thanks so much for watching.